There's that sound. Woo-hoo-hoo! Badass. Hey everyone, I'm really excited about today because today is the first day of our new video series. I've been posting a lot of videos over the last year of the upgrades to my Camaro ZL1 1LE, the ZLE, known as Elvira. And I've had a lot of feedback, great feedback from a lot of people who have gone to different tuners, gone a different path, added camshafts, added heads, added blowers, and never ever achieved the same results that I've received with a stock cam, stock blower, with just fixing the issues with the ZL1 1LE's cooling system to balance out all the cylinders' power and its fueling. So I'm happy to announce I'm leaving today and going on a road trip to go pick up a 2019 shock yellow ZL1 1LE A10 car, and I'm gonna do a step-by-step build series of exactly what I did to my car for this new car. We're gonna pick the car up, we're gonna have a little road trip to get there. It's snowing in South Carolina, and I'm about to head all the way up to Ohio. So join me going through the mountains, pulling the big trailer, and we're gonna get this car loaded up this week, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to share the rest of the videos with you, but I'm gonna do step-by-step what I found over the last year and a half with my Camaro of what works and what doesn't work, and how to fix the issues in cooling with the Camaro so that you can get all the fueling that's available, all the power that's hidden and locked into that engine, and not have to spend a ton of money doing heads, cam, intakes, superchargers, stuff, all that crap to get the same results that I have. We're gonna duplicate my results on a separate car, and I'm here to share it with you. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the notification bell, because I've got a lot of videos coming out over the next 2.5 months on this car. Track day, dyno, and everything else. Have a blessed day. I'll talk to you soon. Heading north. The highways are pretty clear. The sides are a little sketchy, most definitely. Get that exhaust brake action going. Just taking it easy. Truck drivers aren't. So far, the trip's going pretty good. Should be in Ohio about... Overspeed. Yeah, overspeed. That means we're doing 75 miles an hour downhill. Shocker. But should be in Ohio about 2 o'clock today to pick up the new ZLE. Looking forward to it. It's going to be exciting. Just climbing a little mountain here and checking out the 4 and 5 degree weather. Yeehaw. It's wonderful. Using all that torque. But we're not doing bad. We got an overall fuel economy of 11.2. It is kind of beautiful outside though. Hey everyone, just a quick update. It is cold. I can't even tell you how much I hate cold weather. It's like crazy cold. For me to want to drive to Ohio between 2 massive snow and ice storms, this is my dedication to sharing with you all what it takes to make the ZL1 and the LT4 platform better than anything else. to unlock that horsepower that is being trapped by bad configuration, bad tuning, bad combinations, and whatnot. I'm dragging the track whore. That's right. We pull this bitch everywhere to Ohio. And I'm telling you, it's icy, it's cold. I'm looking at my tires, everything's beautiful. Love this trailer. I'm pulling this baby, and we're getting like 11.5 miles a gallon up and down in the mountains. The Banks upgrades for the Ram. We've got a Ram truck, hands down, best upgrades that you could put. It was absolutely the best changes I made to this truck. In top tune, 1,633 pound-feet of torque. Yeah. But let me tell you, it's so cold. It's 4 degrees right now where I'm at. And we're gonna keep going. 2 hours left to go. Cannot wait to see this car.
Other administrations have accomplished in 4 years.
You know, the snow is pretty until you're driving in it for 2 days. Shout out to Ohio State. And we have now made it to Worcester. Look at this. I'm supposed to be in Florida, and yet I'm here to pick up this amazing car. Worcester Township. Welcome to the Worcester Buckeye building. Here we are. It's getting closer. 3 miles away. We made it.
Yes, we made it.
All right, Jenny and I always go, we made it, we made it.
Yeah, we did make it.
All right, Skylar.
No,
it's been awesome working with you to pick up this Camaro. I am so excited about this build.
Yep.
I mean, even your shoes, check it out. It's freezing snow, and she's got dudes on.
Yeah.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, hey dudes. I'm Skylar over at Chevy of Worcester. If anybody needs anything,
right?
Call me.
Easiest
Text
deal
Dave.
ever. And guess what it comes
know.
with? What?
Yep. Got him that tuner.
Yeah.
Some of the stuff we have here, we got a dark horse here, as Dave likes to call a chicken, one of the chickens. This is under market value. If anybody's interested, hit me up. Only 2,000 miles. Dude just wanted a truck. I don't know why you want a truck over a dark horse.
Oh my God.
You got the Tesla Plaid, but...
Tesla Plaid. Uh-oh. Let's walk around.
Hating on the Tesla.
Here we are, Chevy of Worcester.
got
Look at this.
2017 Corvette 3LT Grand Sport.
Somebody at UNC needs to buy this car.
Look in there, look in the...
Look at the interior before I slip and bust. It is blue. I'll get y'all pictures for this because right now the snow just doesn't do it any justice.
No.
Carbon fiber front lip.
It's the carbon package. It's been sitting here, hasn't been in the salt.
Woo, look at that car.
Then if we come over here,
See, I was right.
big Denali Ultimate.
And what do we have?
We've got the
What? Look at this.
carbon splitters, carbon front end.
Carbon front end. I hope there's a key for the wheels.
Yep, there is.
Oh man, hit the button. Oh, she's nice. Look at this baby. Woo, look at that color. Oh my. Here, hold this for a second. Oh yeah, there's that sound. Woo-hoo-hoo. Badass.
The next day.
All right, Fletcher, what we doing? You want to come over here and move out of the way? Kyle's getting ready to unload the cars. Yeah. What, buddy? You see Raven? And Elvira? And there's the new Camaro. Shocker. So I can see a whole bunch of Team Shocker merch coming soon. What, buddy? What? What? Yup. There she is. There's Raven. All right, Fletcher, help Kyle. Help him get it unloaded. It's your job. All right, here we go. Camaro number 2. All right. Yeah. Yeah, nothing like a cold start in a trailer. A little bit of echo. Oh, yeah. Now, we got Kyle. He can fit through the window, so we're just going to roll this one out. All right. Back it up a little bit, Kyle. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on back. It's easy when you can fit through the window. Hell yeah, brother. There you go. What's up, bro? This isn't your first time in a Camaro ZL1. Kyle did Tail of the Dragon. Look at that. Clears, no problem. Right into the bay. All right. We're good. Well, there's nothing like having a ZLE Camaro with such quiet, stealthy exhaust. Fairly soon we'll have the Z06 running. We won't even talk about the Mini. But on the other side of the shop is the new car. I put a brand new belt on this car. It's been a year on the old belt and getting ready for a track day. It needed a new belt. So, been on that for a while. Got some pretty green in there now. And got a brand new bottle coming. Wait till y'all see it.
24 hours later.
All right, we're back. Here we go. All the fun.